presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. 2018 Ram 2500 Bighorn Cummins diesel 4x4. This 2018 Ram 2500 Bighorn is a powerful truck that boasts a Cummins 6.7L diesel turbo i6 engine, delivering 350 horsepower and an impressive 660 feet-pounds of torque. As a factory default, this vehicle comes equipped with a range of features for both comfort and convenience. The interior offers durable cloth upholstery, a spacious crew cab design, and a user-friendly infotainment system with a touchscreen display. On the exterior, you'll find stylish chrome accents, fog lights, and 18-inch alloy wheels. With its excellent overall condition, this Ram 2500 Bighorn is ready to tackle any job with ease. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.